Good job, guys. That's gnarly.
Dude, I had to step back a little bit, man. Like
Jose is keeping it on one wheel.
Y'all were
riding it up.
Y'all were throwing some serious dust.
Dude, I've only been on a one for about 2 months now.
Oh, dude, you're killing it.
Yeah,
but
2 months.
You went from the
Eastgate.
skateboard, bro.
Yeah, it's different. It's a huge learning curve. Hey, you're hauling ass, man. No wonder you're number one.
Hey, you're shredding too.
I'll tell you this, dude. Those 2 margaritas are like, I am buzzed. Right when I passed you, I was like, this is not a good idea. Like, I was feeling it flow, but the board was dancing around underneath my feet like crazy, you know? And I was like, oh shit, and I'd peel it back in, you know?
On one of those fast straightaways coming back up the hill, there was like that real like chunky section, and I drug the nose on it, bro, going up the hill, and it just went and like.
Jacob.
Yo.
So what are we doing today?
We're riding trails with the GTs.
Also, we're going to JR Alfred where there's like a good little luge. And we're gonna hit that. That's gonna be the nice spot. Right now we're just gonna be riding for a little bit, so it's probably gonna be boring until we get to the actual spot. This is where Corey came in flying hot and hit his EUC, cracked his shell. Damn. It was gnarly. Yeah. He came in hot. Just... But yeah, guys, we're out here enjoying Jacob's bad line that he just took, but it's all right. It's all right. We recovered. We didn't fall off the board. No. We didn't fall off the board at least.
Like, I don't feel like I'm gonna fall off the board. I feel like I may get launched off the board.
That's different. That's different.
Yeah. Falling off, like this motor keeps you up.
It'll keep you up, but if you push into it, it'll
Dump your ass.
It'll like
set you back.
Teeter totter. I guess it's the best. It'll surge. It'll teeter totter to the point where you gotta yank that motherfucker back. All right, now you are in flow. Oh, I need the lights on.
That's not like redwood, is it?
No, flow is where it's super loose, so now you'll be able to go around the roots a little bit easier.
Okay.
And go over humps, I feel.
Wow, that's a whole lot looser.
Yes, sir. Helps.
Holy shit, that's nice.
We're en route. We've been meeting up with our buds. Start off with a little loop-de-loop. We'll come down the loop-de-loop, come back up, go up the hill, and we'll drop down, come back around. Sick. Nope.
I've never even ridden an XR in these trails. Like, no, that's the biggest thing I've ever ridden in.
This is Zoe. She's, what, you're 10 years old? And she is shredding on a CBXR. And I'm on my GT. And I'm struggling to keep up.
I'm getting so much pushback right now.
I can dip into it a little bit more, like, a lot more. Jacob's over here forgetting his phone. Watch. I'm gonna wait till he remembers he forgot his phone. Oh, he already saw it. He already saw it. Jacob Onewheel. Where is your phone?
Huh?
Where is your phone?
Oh man, where did I leave that at? On the bench? Wow, I might have been looking for that.
Yes, sir. Yo. Bart Miller right in front of me. No build. Brandon Peavy, Eastern qualifier #1. And getting smoked by Zoe Miller.
Yeah, main trail's cool. I love that fire line though. That thing's rough. Right down here.
Alright. It's a little too narrow right here. Give me a sec.
Holding your line, I'm gonna get around you.
Alright. That was a little late.
Oh shit!
No, go ahead, bro.
Thank you.
You got it, you got it. Some of the best riders in Florida out here in Tallahassee right now.
Coming on your inside.
Go ahead. We got a little wheel slip for a second. Oh, still got the beer in hand.
Picking my beer up.
It's gonna foam up by the time we get to the finish line.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Good job, guys. That shit was gnarly.
Dude, I had to step back a little bit, man. Like
Jose is keeping it on one wheel.
y'all were
Spreading it up.
y'all were throwing some.
Y'all were on my
This
ass
is
immediately. You're like, all right, I'm gonna pass you on the right. I'm like, all right, wait, I'm gonna let him pass me. I'm like, no, wait, why am I letting him pass me? I'm like, let me hold ass a little more.
I said, no, dude, I said, don't let me buy it.
I was like, all right, let me back up a little bit. I'll let you guys pass. That was a
Dude,
lot.
as soon as I
a lot of
passed
fun.
you, I was like, what am I
I'm
doing?
like, I'm trying to get my hot lap, or I'll say,
fun,
let me
Bart.
know if you want to pass me. Because I say,
so
don't
it's fun.
pass me,
Well-
because if you
Yeah,
want
I'm
to, you
gonna
might.
Is that really a shortcut? That's cool.
Yeah, we're almost done.
You'd be killing it if you're on the GT.
I know.
What happened?
No, it wasn't that much further down, you know?
gnarly. All right, we got the 50% notification just now on the phone.
Hard left. All the way on the inside. You gotta go fast enough to clear.
It was already way too late.
And land in there.
That was nice. It was way too late to even. Sorry. Nice catch.
I cut my board off.
All right, I'm not gonna try it again because my foot's still healing from the fracture. Yeah.
Good job, though, dude.
Yeah. That's Brandon Peavy and Bart Miller. All good. Yeah. You good, bro?
Yeah. Dude, I remember, who was here when I wrecked going over this shit? Right. Oh, that was years ago. That was like,
Woo! I just got a little.
I got trapped in it, tried to jump across it. And just
I should have been wearing my elbow guards.
Did you fall?
Yeah, I got a little.
Hey, I put mine on. I was like,
Yeah, I should have.
and when I did, I wrecked. And I was like, thank you.
I think my mom and dad are riding over here.
Oh,
Not sure where, but they're.
what the hell was that?
You must have gave her too much pepper.
No, dude. Like, it felt like I hit something. Like,
Is that the new? Is that the new thing? Giving it too much sauce.
One of these little rocks here. Oh, did it just come off?
Kind of like dip down.
Clang, and it hit.
This was insane.
$90.
All right, Brandon.
So you heading back?
Yeah, I got to ride back. I'm at probably 40-something%.
I'm at 50.
I would, but we rode all the way from Tom Brown. We got to ride all the way to Tom Brown.
Yeah, you guys might use 50 riding all the way back.
We need it. We need it.
You ain't going. You're going further than we are.
We're just gonna cruise it. Just ready.
Yeah.
So just get in the shower.
But yeah, it don't matter to me.
All right, y'all.
Oh, that was on JR. Like,
Good riding.
We'll use like 15% to 18% over
Like I
there.
said, good riding. Good riding. Good meeting you. Good meeting you. Dude, thanks. I'm trying.
Dude,
2 months.
You're
Holy
progressing
man.
so
2 months,
Fast,
2 months.
You know, like, you're progressing so fast.
Dude, you only been riding for 2 months?
2 months and I busted a board, so it really hasn't been 2 months. I broke a board and I had to return it.
That's how fast riders can learn. Just in 2 months, they can be like fast.
Yeah.
Especially when he's riding with all these other people that can.
Yeah, especially when I'm riding with y'all.
Yeah, he can see it and he's like, I know it goes that fast.
Ooh, killing it. Hey, nice dismount.
Yes, nice.
Not really.
That's just because my legs are that. I still do that. Like when I.
I'm Tracy.
Nice to meet you, Jose.
Jose, hi.
Nice to meet you.
How are
You're
you?
Brandon's mom?
Yes. What made you think that?
Well, I mean, cool people riding GTs pulling up like that. I was like, what in the world? That was awesome.
They're so awesome. And you know, she loves purple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the whole like the.
Bye, everybody.
See y'all later.
Oh, dude, hold up. Oh, see you, bro. Oh, Jacob Daniel.
What up, homie?
What up, what up? All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. That's it. We did a lot of riding. I'm super sweaty, and I'm tired from recording, so on to the next one. And then bum 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 bum, whatever music, you know, outro.
Like they'll have build days where the mountain bikers will go out there
And actually
and
fix the trail.
Yeah.
I'll be down to do something like that.
We need to, yeah,